It's me, Shane, car enthusiast, here to talk about installing your sport pedals on your 2021 Mach-E. But before we get to that, just want to take a minute to walk around the vehicle, show you guys a quick tour of the vehicle. Looks really nice. So we got the premium Mach-E all-wheel drive version with the rapid red metallic. Looks really hot on the car. And a couple things that we really like about the car is the nice 19-inch rims and the dual piston calipers. Really makes it stand out with the wheels. And the gloss black finish, nice LED lights. Really looks nice in the dark. So come on over here. Let me show you something cool. So you have your front camera, and right next to it, right here, you guys might be wondering what this is. This is actually a camera sprayer. What it does is it comes out and it sprays a little water or solution on the camera and cleans it up. And you don't really see this on American cars a lot. You only really see this on German cars. So that's really cool that Ford was able to put this in here. Another really cool thing about this car is right under the side view mirror right here is actually a projector. Now this projector at night projects the pony from Mustang right here, right next to the car on the ground. Makes it look really nice, really cool touch that they added. And then you have your button doors, a nice techie feature that Ford added. And then Ford added their signature Mustang tail lights. Really looks nice on the car. So now we're going to get into the pedals. So there's nothing really wrong with these pedals, but they look a little dull. So what we're going to do is we're going to install these sport pedals, and maybe they can look a little bit like this nice Mustang trim here. Always remember, safety first, so make sure you're wearing safety goggles and gloves. First, we need to take off the rubber covering that's covering the metal part of the pedal. So what you need to do is you just need to take these little flaps that are right here, and once you've got that, you can lift it up like this, and there we go, it's off. So here it is coming off, as you can see. So you're just gonna put this thing to the side. Here's the old pedal, as you saw, and here's the new one. So these pedals are nice, made out of nice metal with nice rubber grips. Feels quality, doesn't feel cheap. So the dual strips are always at the bottom and the single strip is at the top. So if you just look at this, you can see that the shape, if I turn it around this way, doesn't look as correct when it's like this. So that's how you know that it's the right way. So to install your sport pedals, all you have to do is, you can see here, there's a little rubber groove, and on the metal pedal, you can see there's little lippings right here for the rubber grooves to go on. So all you have to do is take this and put it into the grooves, and then you just kind of have to wiggle it, and it's in 10 seconds, no problem, you got it in. So now let's see what the comparison is from the sport pedal to the rubber old one. So for the accelerator pedal, same thing for the grips, the double lines on the bottom and the single line at the top. So on the accelerator, there's no rubber covering you have to take off. So all you really have to do is take this and slip it on again, wiggle it to where you want it to go, get those grooves into the right spot, and you'll be good to go. And it's in. So that's what it looks like. So again, 10-15 seconds, you can install these nice new 2021 Mach-E sport pedals. Really makes a difference. Thanks to our friends Adrisa and Farzad at Dark Cars Ford, we're able to get a nice 2021 Mach-E at a great price, and we just love this car so much. Thank you for using your time to watch my video today.